Welcome back to Legit Pick. In part 1, we took a deep dive into some of the best Denon AV receivers for those looking to upgrade their home theater systems without breaking the bank. But if you thought we were done, think again. Part 2 is here, and we've got even more top-tier models to explore, featuring cutting-edge features, exceptional sound quality, and next-level gaming performance. This time, we're going to cover even more options that cater to all types of setups, whether you're a casual movie lover, a hardcore gamer, or someone who wants top-notch audio throughout your home. With Denon's reputation for quality, you're in for a treat. So let's jump in and find the perfect receiver for your home theater needs. Number 5. Denon AVR-X3800H 9.4 channel AV receiver. The Denon AVR-X3800H is a powerhouse in home theater receivers, delivering an extraordinary 9.4 channel surround sound system that takes your cinematic experience to the next level. Designed for those who demand both exceptional audio and video qualities, it features 8K at 60 Hz pass-through and supports the latest HDR formats, including HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and Dynamic HDR. This receiver's advanced capabilities ensure that your visuals are crisp, vibrant, and immersive, while its 3D audio technology, including Dolby Atmos, DTS:X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, and Oro 3D, creates a truly enveloping sound experience. Whether you're enjoying a movie or a gaming session, the AVR-X3800H offers next-level realism with its ability to heighten legacy content using the Dolby Surround and DTS Neural X Up mixer. Not only does the AVR-X3800H deliver stunning visuals and sound, but it also offers unmatched flexibility with 9 HDMI 2.1 ports, including 8K and 4K at 120 Hz support, and a variety of analog and digital inputs. This makes it easy to connect everything from your TV to your subwoofers, Blu-ray players, and turntables. With built-in HEOS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, you can effortlessly stream music throughout your home, whether you're using Spotify, Tidal, or other popular services. Additionally, the easy-to-use Setup Assistant and Odyssey Room Correction Suite ensure that your system is calibrated to your room's acoustics for the best possible sound. Whether you're upgrading your current system or setting up a new one, the AVR-X3800H is perfect for those seeking a robust, high-performance home theater receiver. Number 4. Denon AVR-X4800H 9.4 channel AV receiver. The Denon AVR-X4800H is a top-tier home theater receiver designed for those who want to create a truly immersive, high-performance audio and video experience. With 8K at 60 Hz pass-through and support for cutting-edge video formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dynamic HDR, it ensures that every detail on your screen is sharp, vibrant, and full of life. This 9.4 channel receiver is packed with 3D audio technologies, including Dolby Atmos, DTS:X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, and Oro 3D, delivering surround sound that's as immersive as it gets. Plus, it incorporates Dolby Height virtualization and DTS Virtual X, allowing you to experience overhead sound even without height speakers, making it ideal for larger rooms or setups where space is a concern. Built for audiophiles and home theater enthusiasts alike, the AVR-X4800H features 10 HDMI ports, 7 in, 3 out, and full 8K and 4K at 120 Hz support, offering ample connectivity for all your devices. Whether you're connecting a Blu-ray player, turntable, or subwoofer, this receiver has you covered with its broad range of input options. The built-in HEOS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth enable seamless multi-room audio streaming, letting you enjoy high-fidelity sound throughout your home. For those looking to expand their setup, the AVR-X4800H supports 11.4 channel processing and pre-amplifier mode, giving you the flexibility to upgrade your system as needed. With an easy-to-follow Setup Assistant and Odyssey Room Correction Suite, this receiver ensures your home theater is calibrated for optimal performance. Number 3. Denon AVR-X6800H 11.4 channel AV receiver. The Denon AVR-X6800H is a powerhouse of a receiver, bringing unrivaled 8K video quality and multi-dimensional 3D audio to your home theater setup. With 11.4 channels and a powerful 140 watt per channel output, it delivers dynamic surround sound with support for Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, IMAX Enhanced, and Oro 3D. Plus, its Dolby Atmos height virtualization technology can create virtual height effects without the need for additional height channels, providing an immersive experience even in more more compact setups. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or gaming in ultra-high definition, this receiver offers exceptional performance with a smooth and lag-free experience, thanks to its advanced gaming features like VRR, QFT, and ALLM. Equipped with a robust 8K HDMI section, the AVR-X6800H supports 8K at 60 Hz pass-through and 8K upscaling, ensuring your visuals are crystal clear and full of detail. Its versatile connection options include 7 HDMI inputs and 3 outputs, with full support for advanced formats like HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dynamic HDR. Plus, you can enjoy seamless wireless music streaming throughout your home with the built-in HEOS technology, allowing you to stream from popular services like Spotify, Tidal, and more. The receiver's easy-to-follow on-screen setup assistant and Odyssey Multi-EQ XT32 ensure your system is perfectly tuned for your space, while the flexibility to expand your setup with 13.4-channel processing and preamplifier modes make it a future-proof choice for even the most demanding audio enthusiasts. Number 2. Denon AVR-X8500HA 13.2-channel AV receiver. The Denon AVR-X8500HA is the ultimate home theater powerhouse, delivering an immersive 13.2-channel experience with a remarkable 150 watts per channel. It supports cutting-edge audio formats like Dolby Atmos, DTS-X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, and Oro 3D, ensuring that every movie, show, and game is filled with rich, multi-dimensional sound. The inclusion of Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS Virtual X allows for an enhanced audio experience even in setups without height speakers, while the powerful amplification and low-impedance drivers ensure balanced and clear sound regardless of the speaker setup. With the addition of Denon's proprietary AL32 processing technology, this receiver provides high-quality, ultra-high-resolution audio, offering an exceptional soundstage for all your entertainment needs. When it comes to video quality, the AVR-X8500HA excels with 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz pass-through, supporting the latest HDMI specifications and advanced formats like HDR10, Dolby Vision, and HLG for a breathtaking visual experience. Its dedicated 8K input and advanced video upscaling ensure that all content, whether native 8K or older formats, is delivered in stunning clarity and precision. For gamers, the receiver provides a smooth, lag-free experience with features like variable refresh rate, quick frame transport, and auto low latency mode. In addition, the AVR-X8500HA boasts wireless streaming capabilities via built-in HEOS, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music in every room of the house. With voice control via Amazon Alexa and compatibility with other smart assistants like Google Assistant and Apple Siri, this receiver offers both unmatched audiovisual performance and seamless integration with your smart home. Number 1. Denon AVR-A10H 13.4-channel AV receiver. The Denon AVR-A10H is a top-tier home theater receiver that offers a truly immersive 13.4-channel experience with a powerful 150 watts per channel. This high-performance unit supports the latest 3D audio formats, including Dolby Atmos, DTS-X Pro, IMAX Enhanced, Oro 3D, and Sony 360 Reality Audio, ensuring cinematic sound for every movie, game, and music session. With the flexibility to power speaker configurations up to 7.4.6 or 9.4.4, the AVR-A10H brings unparalleled spatial audio to your home theater, making it ideal for those who seek a dynamic, full-range audio experience. Whether you're enjoying the latest blockbuster or your favorite music, this receiver delivers audiophile quality sound with its 32-bit DACs, premium components, and rigid construction that eliminates unwanted vibrations for pure dynamic audio. For video enthusiasts, the AVR-A10H shines with support for stunning 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz pass-through, ensuring your visuals are as breathtaking as the audio. Featuring HDMI inputs and outputs that support Dolby Vision, Dynamic HDR, and 8K upscaling, this receiver guarantees sharp, vibrant visuals with fluid motion and exceptional color clarity. Gaming is taken to the next level with features like VRR, QFT, and ALLM, reducing lag and enhancing frame rates for a smooth, immersive experience. The AVR-A10H also offers the flexibility of wireless streaming through HEOS, allowing you you to enjoy your music in every room of the house. And its advanced room calibration options, including Odyssey Multi-Q and optional Dirac Live, ensures your audio is perfectly tuned to your space for optimal performance. Whether you're a home theater enthusiast or a gamer, this receiver is built to provide an extraordinary audio-visual experience. And there you have it, folks. We've covered some of the best Denon AV receivers that are sure to elevate your home theater experience to new heights. From 13.2 channel powerhouses with mind-blowing 3D audio to stunning 8K visuals and seamless streaming capabilities, these receivers offer everything you need for an immersive and cinematic experience at home. Whether you're a movie buff, a gaming enthusiast, or just looking to enhance your music setup, Denon has you covered with cutting-edge technology and exceptional sound quality. So before you make your next home theater upgrade, make sure you found the receiver that truly matches your needs. With these incredible options on the table, you'll be ready to take your entertainment experience to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to part 2 of our Denon AV Receiver series here at Legit Pick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest reviews and tech tips. See you next time, and happy listening.